Hi friends, welcome to Engage Today. Here in this video, we shall discuss correct pronunciation of some important basic words in English. They are basic words and most of the people make very wrong pronunciation of these words, which makes very wrong effect on the minds of listeners. If you know correct pronunciation of these words, it will help you to make impression on the minds of listeners, and therefore to speak impressive English you must know correct pronunciation of these words. Okay then, without wasting our time, let's get started. The first word is able. Able. The spelling of that word is ABLE. Most of the speakers, about 90% speakers, pronounce that word as able, but it is not able, it is able. Able is correct pronunciation and able is wrong pronunciation. Able. The next word is above. Its spelling is ABOVE. It is not above. Most of the speakers make very wrong pronunciation of that word as above, but it is not above, it is simply above. Above is correct, above is wrong. ABOVE, above. The next word is acute. ACUTE. This is the spelling of that word, and it is wrongly pronounced as acute by most of the speakers, but it is not acute, but it is acute. There is stress or emphasis on the sound Q, and therefore the correct pronunciation is acute. Acute is correct, acute is wrong. Not acute, acute. The next word is advantage. Advantage. The spelling is ADVANTAGE. It is wrongly pronounced as advantage by most of the speakers, but it is not advantage, it is advantage. Advantage. Advantage is correct, advantage is wrong. Advantage. You should pronounce it as advantage. Anyway, the next word is asthma. Asthma. Its spelling is ASTHMA. It is pronounced as asthma by most of Indian speakers, but it is not asthma, it is asthma. Asthma. There should be stress or emphasis on the sound a. Asthma. Asthma is correct, asthma is wrong. Asthma is a name of a disease. Asthma is a name of disease, and it is wrongly pronounced as asthma by most of the speakers. The next word is booklet. Booklet means a small book. A small book giving information about something. It is called booklet. Its spelling is BOOKLET, but it is wrongly pronounced as booklet by most of the speakers, but it is not booklet, it is booklet. 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 There should be stress or emphasis on the sound boo. Booklet. Booklet is correct, booklet is wrong. The next word is castle. 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 It is wrongly pronounced as castle by most of the speakers, but it is not castle, it is castle. Castle is correct, castle is wrong. There is a stress or emphasis on the sound ka. Castle. Castle. Castle means a fort. Castle means a fort, and its pronunciation is castle and not castle. The next word is cucumber. Cucumber. Cucumber is a kind of fruit which is eaten by the people, and its pronunciation is cucumber. Its spelling is CUCUMBER. It is wrongly pronounced as cucumber by most of the speakers, but it is not cucumber, it is cucumber. Cucumber. Cucumber is correct, cucumber is wrong. The last r sound is silent, and therefore it is pronounced as cucumber. Yes. The next important word is, it is very important because it is used by most of the speakers in their speech, and that word is democracy. It is democracy. Its spelling is DEMOCRACY. It is wrongly pronounced as democracy by most of the speakers, but it is not democracy, it is simply democracy. Democracy is correct, democracy is wrong. There is a stress on the sound mo. Democracy. Democracy is correct and democracy is wrong. But its adjective is democratic. Democratic. There is a stress or emphasis on cra. Democratic. Democratic is correct, but it is wrongly pronounced as democratic by most of the speakers, and the democratic is wrong, democratic is correct. The next word is depute. 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 Its pronunciation is depute. Yes, and not depute. Depute is wrong, depute is correct. The next word is deputation. The noun made from the word depute. Its correct pronunciation is deputation. Correct pronunciation is deputation. There is stress on E. There is stress on or emphasis on E, and therefore deputation is correct. The next word is elite. ELITE. It is wrongly pronounced as elite by most of the speakers, but it is not elite, it is elite. Elite. Elite is correct, elite is wrong. Elite. 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 Elite means of higher class. Elite means belonging to higher class. The next word is eight. The simple word eight. It is pronounced as eight by most of the speakers, but it is not eight, it is eight. Its spelling is EIGST. It is not eight, it is eight. Eight. Eight is correct and eight is wrong. The next word is evil. Its spelling is EVIL. It is wrongly pronounced as evil by most of the speakers, but it is not evil, it is evil. Evil is correct, evil is wrong. The next important word is garage. Its spelling is GARAGE. It is wrongly pronounced as garage by most of the speakers, but it is not garage, it is garage. Garage is a kind of workshop or place where the vehicles are repaired, and in this way its pronunciation is garage and not garage. It is garage. The next word is golf. GOLF. It is not golf, it is golf. It is wrongly pronounced as golf by most of the speakers, but it is not golf, it is golf. Golf. The next simple word is hero. Its spelling is HERO, and it is wrongly pronounced as hero by 95% speakers, but it is not hero, it is hero. Hero. Hero is correct, hero is wrong. Hero. Yes. The next word is heroine. Heroine. The spelling is HEROINE, and it is wrongly pronounced as heroine by most of the speakers, but it is not heroine, it is simply heroine. Heroine. There is stress on the sound he, and therefore it should be pronounced as heroine. The next word is injury, but it is wrongly pronounced as injury by most of the speakers. It is not injury, it is injury. It is injury. Injury is correct, injury is wrong. The next word is kitchen. Kitchen. Its spelling is KITCHEN. Kitchen, but not kitchen. It is kitchen. Kitchen is correct, kitchen is wrong. The next word is market. 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 It is market and not market. It is pronounced as market by most of the speakers. It is not market, it is market. Market. Market is correct, market is wrong. In this way, here in this video, we discussed correct pronunciation of some important words, some basic words in English language, the words which are used in daily life. The correct pronunciation of these words we discussed here in this video. I hope that you might have liked this video. If you like this video, please click like icon, click bell icon also for getting more updates. If you think that this video is useful for your friends and relatives also, please share this video with them. If you haven't subscribed my channel Engage Educate, please subscribe it. And don't forget to visit our website www.ingedutech.com for getting text material or for getting study material of MPSC, UPSC and different kinds of competitive examinations and study material of spoken English also. Thank you.